Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how we can easily freeze column in Smartsheet. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just simply be in Smartsheet, and when you're gonna be here, you just want to have like assign to here and right click on a column that you want, and you're gonna see here freeze column, right? When I'm going to click on it, it will automatically freeze. And you can right click on it and again unfreeze the column. So this is pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.